King County Councilmember Reagan Dunn says it's simple. Elected officials can't allow deadly, harmful drugs to become legal in Washington state during an ever-growing drug crisis. Numbers from the Public Health Department of Seattle and King County paint a grim picture. Overdose deaths connected to fentanyl continue to exponentially rise. 712 in 2022, this year sitting at 314 with more than half the year to go.
The problem is on July 1st, somebody can use hard drugs, heroin, cocaine, methamphetamine, smoke it in public places.
King County Councilmember Reagan Dunn says he can't let that happen during a drug epidemic.
And that's a pretty obvious, no, and something we shouldn't allow to be legal.
Dunn released this proposed ordinance that would make public drug use a misdemeanor with the possibility of 90 days in jail.
To send a message that we're not going to stand for the public use of drugs in our public areas, and to give law enforcement the discretion to cite the worst of the worst offenders.
He's confident it has a chance at passing.
I just introduced it a few hours ago, but I already have 2 Democrat co-sponsors, so we have 3 of the 5 votes already.
But Councilmember Dunn says he'd rather lawmakers in Olympia come up with a fix versus a patchwork of ordinances across the state.
I know these are challenging issues and they're controversial, but you have to take action because there are hundreds of millions of dollars in money at the state level for treatment and for recovery for drug addicts that require you to vote on it.
Dunn's ordinance only applies to unincorporated areas of King County like here in White Center. And at this hour, we're told lawmakers are still having conversations, but Governor Jay Inslee has not said when or if he plans to call them back for a special session. Live in White Center, Cornelius Hawker, King 5 News.